In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Square appointments. Managing time zones correctly is crucial for businesses that operate online or have customers from different parts of the world. Square appointments makes it easy to adjust your time zone settings to ensure your schedule aligns with your current region, preventing any mix-ups or miscommunications with your clients. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First up, we need to navigate to the Square homepage. Simply type in Square's URL into your browser or search for Square online to find their official website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself facing the gateway to a suite of tools designed to power your entire business operation, from payment processing to appointment scheduling. Next, it's time to log into your account. Spot the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and get ready to access the heart of your business's operation on Square. Now, the login screen will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure to type in the email address associated with your Square account accurately. This piece of information acts as your unique identifier, guiding you to the next step of accessing your account. Following your email entry, you'll be asked to enter your account's password. Type it in carefully. Remember, your password is the key to unlocking all the functionalities and settings of your Square account. After entering your password, hit the sign in button to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Square dashboard. Think of your dashboard as mission control. It's here where you can access a comprehensive overview of your business's performance, manage appointments, and of course adjust settings like your time zone. Look to the top right of your dashboard and you'll see the name of your store. Clicking on your store name will reveal a drop-down menu that brings you one step closer to making the necessary adjustments to your account settings. Within this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Account Settings. This is sort of your backstage pass to tweaking the underlying setups of your Square account, including your time zone. In your account settings area, there will be a variety of options to explore. However, for today's purpose, we are interested in clicking on Preferences. These preferences allow you to customize how you interact with Square's platform to better suit your business needs and ensure your operations run smoothly across different time zones. As you delve into the Preferences section, seek out the option marked Time Zone. This is your final destination. Clicking on Time Zone will unveil a drop-down menu filled with a plethora of time zones from around the globe. Take your time to scroll through and select the time zone that accurately reflects your current location or the location of your business operations. After selecting your new time zone, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial as it officially applies the adjustment to your account, ensuring that all appointment times moving forward will be synchronized with your updated region. And just like that, you've successfully updated your time zone settings. But why is this important? Well, it ensures that when clients book appointments with you, they do so based on the precise timing you operate under, thereby eliminating the confusion that can arise from scheduling across different time zones. It also means any reminders or notifications sent out will be timely and relevant, enhancing communication and overall client satisfaction. Before wrapping up, a couple of quick tips to ensure seamless operation. Double check the time zone change by scheduling a test appointment or ask a colleague or friend to do so. This helps confirm that everything is in perfect alignment. Also, remember that time zone changes affect future appointments and reminders, so keep that in mind if you're operating across regions temporarily. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing your time zone settings on Square appointments. Not only does this keep your business running like a well-oiled machine, but it also fosters a smoother, more efficient interaction with your clients worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the platform, taking control of settings like these puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your business's success journey. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to synchronized schedules and seamless business operations, no matter where in the world you or your clients are located.